I received this NARS packet with samples of the foundations and the concealer. I've never used NARS before, but I've seen a lot of great reviews about it. And they sent this in the mail. It comes with six different foundations and 3 different concealers. I'm going to use this. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do a full face with these, but I'm going to try. And I'm going to find out which one of these shades match my skin the best. When this video comes out, I have the link for this makeup tutorial. And then once I post this one, I'll put this link under this makeup tutorial. Let's get started with the foundations. So there's... wow, every last one of these are so hard to pronounce. I have no idea what it says. So these are the colors. There it is. It's 1, 2, 3. Bling. Hi. I have no... what is this? Is this in a different language? I have no idea. But these are the names. I don't know why it's not focusing. Oh, but on the back it explains each one of them. One is Tahoe, and then under it says medium/dark 2. All of them are listed on the back and telling you the shade that they fall under, the category. So let's get started and see which one of these match my skin tone. The first one is called medium/dark 1. It's like you can open it like this, and it's like how the pills come. They come in a little thing where you pull it open. Yeah. So this is, what is it? Medium dark/1. Okay, let's see if the first one matches my skin tone. So that's pretty bright. That is pretty bright. This one doesn't match, but I still can use this as a concealer. You know, I can use it for something. I will figure it out. But that does not match. Number 2 is medium/dark 2.6. Open it up. Sheesh. This one is a little light too. Not really my color just yet. Getting closer. See if I blended it in, what happened. Well, it's blending in fine. It's blending in fine, even though it looks a little light. But this is closer to my skin tone than this one was. Let's try the next one. This one is medium/dark 3.6. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. I have a feeling this one's gonna match better. And their foundation, from the reviews that I've saw, like the coverage is everything. So this may be a brand I start buying. It does match perfectly. Okay, so you always want to have a foundation that matches your skin tone and one that's a little lighter. Not dramatically lighter, but a little lighter. Sometimes I'll use a lighter here, and here, and then I'll put dark all around because I'm going to brighten this part up anyway, because I'm going to use my highlighter. I'm going to use my concealer. So sometimes I do put a lighter foundation there, and sometimes I mix them and it matches to my skin tone perfectly. This one matches, but I think I want to mix this because this one has a little, I don't know if you can see it too much, but I feel like it has a lot of red undertones. So it is a little darker, but I think I'm going to mix this one and this one, which was medium/dark 3.6, and the second one was medium dark 2.6. I'm going to use the lighter here, and I'm going to use the darker around. The first one that I used was not my color at all. I bet you I can use that for my crease cut though, like how I did this with the lighter concealer that I have. So I'm going to hold on to this little guy and use it later on. I don't believe in wasting product, whether it's a sample or not. We will find a way to use it, okay? So what I'm going to do is take the lighter shade, the 2.6, and I'm going to place it all around my highlighted areas that I'm going to be doing. So over my nose. Why does my nose look so much bigger than it usually does? I wonder, as you get older, does your body features, oh yeah, they do change, duh. But I mean, do they get bigger? Or do they shrink? My nose seems to be spreading, and I'm definitely not pregnant. So the other two that I have, I'm going to do a different video since I already found my match. But this seems to have great coverage, if I do say so myself. The coverage seems to be great. So let me blend that out some. I like this color. I think this one matches perfectly with my skin too, but I told y'all before, I have discoloration because I have eczema. So sometimes I have to switch up my shades of foundation because of that. So now that I have that NARS on, I'm going to go in with the darker shade, which was the medium/dark 3.6, and I'm going to place it on the perimeter of my face. Now that I have it on, now I'm going to blend everything together. I don't know about you, but I feel like this match was perfect. Those two colors match perfectly. Now I'm going to set it with my normal setting powder. I like this makeup, it's nice. Overall, I do like the NARS foundation. The colors that I used again were medium dark 3.6 and medium dark 2.6. It gave me great coverage. Using the two colors, I give a thumbs up to NARS. The next time I do another video, then I'll use the other two and do a review on that and see how I feel about it, because I hadn't used the concealer today. I didn't get a chance to use it because since the other ones was light, I just went ahead and used that as my concealer. That is going to be all as far as my review for my NARS. I was in the middle of another video doing the tutorial for my crease cut. So thanks for watching this particular video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions as far as the NARS makeup, let me know, because I've never purchased anything from NARS. I do switch up my products and use different things, but NARS has not been one of the products that I've used. But now that I've used it, I think I'm going to be making some purchases. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.